everybody? So it is episode 3, day 3 of Roast Me Season 5. Everybody's flying in, everybody's coming in, we're getting tense, you hear the megaphone. We're actually about to go to set right now and give the spiel, just to make sure that all roasters know their blocking, know what's going on today. And special guest, we have CP's return, the MVP of last season. He is coming, he will be in the building, and obviously all the other roasters are ready too. So we're gonna see what happens. We going live, let's go. That's great. Can we do that? Yeah. Good idea.
Do the mic. Billy likes it going from his butt cheeks, Brent. Put it this way, Billy.
Really?
Yeah, but he brings the mic this way. Billy likes the mic in back of him. Who got the mic? Who got the mic? Billy Sherrill, we love you.
And that's locked.
And then this is locked. This one will be the wrong hand.
Yeah.
So this one will be here and here, and then this one will be a two-shot.
I need everybody in the seat. Let's get it started so we can have fun. Alright, let's go for the slate. Roast Me Season 5, Episode 3, Scene 1, Take 1, comment mark. Alright, y'all settle?
About to go. Welcome to Roast Me, the comedy show. We see hookahs about a hot seat against the. Oh, you said you was ready.
Hey, that nigga Brent claimed a game called Court Seat Crips. Alright, man.
He's eating like a ghetto cookie monster.
Hold on. Sheba, little boy booty Franklin. Like John Benet Ramsey from the back.
Hey, y'all, let's settle. We back.
Don't worry about the energy being off. This shit funny, guys. Don't worry. Y'all doing great.
Hey, when her phone ring, it go ribbit. $200,000 on the wrist, word. 200,000 milligrams of salt. David played for the Texas Toast. Hey, look at man. Another episode of Roast Me. I am dying right now.
Alright, so that is a wrap on episode 3. I'm not even gonna lie, I think this was our best episode, including all seasons. This was the funniest episode. I think they went for 2 50-minute halves. We took a break. We kept trying to stop it, and they kept getting funnier and funnier and funnier. So check it out on the Caffeine app. It's gonna be there for 6 months, but when it gets to YouTube though, when it's cut down, it's gonna be our best episode. Y'all check it out. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So we tired. We about to get something to eat. Later.